রিমুভ করতে হবে। উই হ্যাভ টু রিমুভ নার্ভাসনেস অ্যান্ড শাইনেস। Most of the beginners may feel that not knowing vocabularies and grammar are the main problem in speaking English. But according to my suggestion, the first and last problem is nervousness and shyness. To remove nervousness and shyness from our mind forever, so that we can speak English fluently. Most of the beginners believe that there is no suitable environment in our country, not only in our country but also in our locality. According to our suggestion, we have to create the environment ourselves so that we can speak English fluently without interruption. This is the matter. We have to remove nervousness and shyness in order to speak English fluently. If we can remove nervousness and shyness, we will be able to speak English fluently. Because and boldness and self-confidence are the most important element of a personality that makes a man fluent in any work. So we have to be boldness and self-confidence. We have to have self-confidence so that we can speak English fluently without interruption. Actually, for speaking English, there is no environment in our country. This is one of the greatest problem in our locality. And in the classroom, the teachers don't create any opportunity for their students for speaking English, and the students don't respond to share with views with their teachers. Sometimes it is seen that teachers looks very tempered and they take slip, sometimes scold the students. But students and teachers relationship should be friendly. In the classroom, teachers are speaking. There is no opportunity for their students to speak English. So we have to find out this situation. We have to ensure two-way education system, because a student's talking time in the class is much important than teacher's talking time. The students should remove these activities so that they can speak English fluently. We all know that the world is changing. People's attitude and viewpoints are also changing. People are becoming educated day by day. A custom that was in place 20 years ago is obsolete today. Moreover, the whole world is moving forward at a constant pace. The people of the world does not stop. Okay, there are a vital element. There is a vital effort to establish oneself as the most competitor in the advanced world in the knowledge of science, art and literature and modernity. For this, the first and foremost requirement is proficiency in English. Nowadays, people's keen interest in learning English is increasing day by day, and at encouraging rate. The people are changing rapidly. In the context of our country, in the social context of our country, an educated person have to be carry an important identity, whether he is educated in English or not. Even it is seen that after applying for a job, a man must be verified whether he is proficient in English language or not. It is seen that in our complete life, many highly educated and talented people cannot achieve the expected goals because of having weakness in English. And it is seen that most of time they can't keep the signature of talent or ability, or they cannot show the signature of talent or ability. But we have to speak English anywhere or everywhere, ignoring right or wrong. Right or wrong, without considering right or wrong, we have to speak English. We have to go it by day, so that we can able to increase our speaking power. It can be said beginner must highlight the positive and negative, not only positive aspect of things, but also negative aspect of things that are relevant to their lifestyle. They have to discuss about positive things, and they have to impart on national important issues and develop the mindset to speak fluently in anywhere, in meeting, in seminars, and an environment. They have to set up their mindset so that they can speak English fluently. We all know that it is possible to learn English in a short time only by practicing English in real life. We have to specify a topic in English, and we have to think about the topic in English so that we can speak English fluently. We have to discuss about topics in real life and event. In order to know the current event and issues, we have to know this. Do you understand, friends? What are we talking about? We are talking about how to improve your English, how to improve your pronunciation, how to improve your fluent in English, how to be fluent in English. We are talking about. In order to improve our English, being able to understand the needs and expectation for beginners is one of the greatest achievement of a teachers. By combining expectation and achievement, the teachers see the discretion and success. The feelings of success motivate us to teach English, to discuss English, to speak English. This success of feeling, or the feelings, these feelings of success motivate us deeply. It touches our heart. Truly speaking, In our educational institution, English is taught in traditional way. Our teaching method is one way, but we have to ensure to a education system because a student's talking time is much important than teacher's talking time. If we can't ensure to a education system, a student's problem remains in problems. Thank you, everybody.